How to update Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. In this video, we'll show you how to check for updates and install the latest version of the browser. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser by clicking on its icon in the taskbar or by searching for it in the Start menu. Once you have the browser open, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Then click on About Microsoft Edge in the left-hand menu. This will automatically check for updates and show you if there are any available. If there are updates available, click on the Update button to download and install them. Once the update is complete, you may need to restart the browser for the changes to take effect. And that's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to update the Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial reviewer channel for more videos.